Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of no-bake white chocolate blueberry cheesecake. Take 1 teaspoon of gelatin in a bowl. So gelatin is used as a setting agent. To that, add in 2 tablespoons of cold water. Give it a mix and leave it for 15 minutes. For the biscuit base, take 25 marigold biscuits. Powder it using a mixer grinder. Here I have taken 100 grams of butter. I have melted the butter in microwave. Microwave it for 30 to 40 seconds to melt the butter. Add the melted butter into the biscuit powder. Mix it gently with a spatula. You'll get sandy texture like this. I'm going to set the cheesecake into this glass bowl. Grease the glass bowl with butter and add in the biscuit base. With the measurement I'm sharing, we'll be able to make 4 mini-sized cheesecakes. Press it gently using a spatula. I'm setting the cheesecake in the small springform tin as well. You can set the cheesecake in 8-inch pan as well. Place the biscuit base into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the cheesecake mix. In a mixing bowl, take 200 grams of cream cheese. I'm using electric beater to blend it smoothly. Add in 150 grams of condensed milk. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it with spatula and keep it aside. Here I have taken 1.5 cups of whipping cream. Whip the cream using an electric beater. Add in the cream cheese mix into the whipped cream. Beat everything nicely so that it combines well. The gelatin has bloomed in cold water. I have melted it in microwave for 30 seconds. You can melt this in gas stove as well. Add the melted gelatin into the cheesecake mix. Mix it nicely with a spatula. The cheesecake base mix is ready now. You can add any flavor into this cheesecake mix. I have separated 300 grams of cheesecake mix in a mixing bowl. For blueberry cheesecake, I am using this blueberry jam. If you have blueberries means you can grind it and make cheesecake. Add in 3 tablespoons of blueberry jam. There's no specific measurement for blueberry jam, you can add as much as you need. Give it a mix so that it combines well. Blueberry cheesecake mix is ready now. I have taken the biscuit base from the refrigerator. Add in a thick layer of blueberry cheesecake mix. Level it with a spatula. Set this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the white chocolate cheesecake mix. Take 50 grams of white chocolate and melt it in microwave. Cool it slightly and add into the cheesecake mix. Well, this is the reserved 300 grams of cheesecake mix. The blueberry cheesecake layer has set perfectly. Now add in the white chocolate cheesecake mix. Level it evenly using a spatula. Now set the cheesecake in the refrigerator for overnight or 2 to 3 hours. Look at it friends, you could clearly see 2 layers of cheesecake. With this quantity, I am able to prepare 2 cheesecake jars as well. The cheesecake has set perfectly. I have melted blueberry jam in microwave and taken it in a piping bag. Just give any design on top of the cheesecake. Instead of blueberry, you can also make strawberry cheesecake. The beautiful looking white chocolate blueberry cheesecake is ready to be served now. Do try this cheesecake and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.